Payshop Review, a dollar-earning hack with a click of your mouse. Due to the COVID pandemic, more people than ever before are staying home and purchasing online. The value of U.S. e-commerce is about to reach approximately $10 billion in 2022. It's a huge shortcut in Mo compared to other traditional methods that we've seen before. Now get Payshop and start raking in limitless profits from this booming niche. Payshop is a dead-easy software for building profitable e-com marketplaces to attract more shoppers and drive insane online earnings. Payshop's a brand new, never-seen-before secret method for generating multiple payments from Walmart's, Amazon, eBay plus other big marketplaces, and also leveraging their unique AI technology for creating your done-for-you e-com system loaded with over 50 plus top-selling products with a few clicks of your mouse. Plus their bonus built-in traffic method. Payshop also offers the option to add an intelligent AI lead finder that finds targeted buyer leads in major and profitable niches across countries and cities in USA, UK, Canada, Australia, Switzerland, and New Zealand. I bet with Payshop, creating your online store is your cup of tea now. A ready-to-go profitable e-com business with over 50 plus hot-selling digital products without any technical skills required. Done for you AI to make it easier than ever for anyone to create a profitable e-com business. Even newbies. Intelligent AI lead finder that finds targeted buyer leads in major and profitable niches across countries and cities in the USA, UK, Canada, Australia, Switzerland, and New Zealand. So it's a complete money-making system. Be friendly and easy to use, cloud-based, so you can use it from any device with internet access. Don't need any prior com experience to get results with Payshop. They'll also teach you how to unlock their secret no-selling method for getting paid $35.47 over and over again. No monthly fees when you get Payshop Toda. Never released AI technology that instantly creates 100% automated e-com system that makes them passive income. Even total beginners who have never made a dime online are getting daily payments. Find out how they set it up once and continue profiting 24/7. Save money. No website, no domain, no hosting. How they turn 5 minutes per day into hands-free profits. Commercial license included for free when you get it now. Get free viral traffic from 95 giant sources with one click. 365-day money-back guarantee. I hope that my Payshop review can help you to make up your mind more accurately and quickly. If you have any questions, leave a comment on the blog post to let me know. Thank you for reading. Good luck to you.